Today we're filming with Shani from Say It With A Box, which is a luxury hamper company based in the North Shore. Shani and her husband Scott run an amazing business that has been in operation for 5 years, and they offer hampers for corporate businesses with their own branding. Their vision when opening the business was to provide an option for businesses to provide luxury hampers that fit seamlessly with their brand. We'll dive deeper into their journey on the podcast, so make sure you tune in. Delving back into the market, and last weekend was the first Saturday back for open homes and auctions. Across the board, we felt a sense of urgency with our open homes averaging 13 groups and some having upwards of 20. After conversations with buyers inspecting those properties, some were concerned that the flattening of the curve coupled with low stock levels would force increased competition and potentially an increase in property prices. According to CoreLogic, Australian housing values have not seen any evidence of material decline in April, despite a sharp drop in market activity and severe weakening in consumer sentiment. Although most regions recorded a rise in home values through April, the national monthly pace of growth more than halved, dropping from 0.7% in March to 0.3%. The April result was the smallest month-on-month movement since June last year, when the national index was down 0.2%. The auction clearance rate came in extremely strong at 70%, which is the highest level since mid-March, with 209 properties listed for auction and only 21 being withdrawn, which dropped by more than half from the previous week. With a sense of optimism around flattening the curve, we're in an interesting period. Lack of stock, record low interest rates, and the largest government stimulus packages provide a great opportunity to secure a high sale price. However, we fear the pent-up pool of sellers that have been holding off since the start of the year will create an oversupply heading into the typically busy spring period. And with the banks taking much longer to provide pre-approvals, things could tip back into buyer's market. We truly believe now is the best opportunity to sell, so we're providing a unique guarantee. Any seller that lists their property online with us prior to the 6th of June but does not sell will be able to relaunch their home later in the year at no extra charge. This opportunity means that you can test the market, and if you don't get the outcome you desire, you have the ability to relaunch if the market corrects itself in spring. Even if you're not sure what to do, we'd love to chat. With several off-market listings, there's a possibility we already have your next home. As always, thanks so much for tuning in and for all the continued support. The team and I look forward to seeing you out and about. Have a great week.